Health officials in Connecticut are issuing a warning about fentanyl-laced marijuana. It may be connected with a rash of overdoses throughout the state.
All right, Jessica Formoso live in the newsroom with details on this dangerous trend. Jessica.
Good evening, Stephen. Lori, Connecticut state health officials have confirmed the first fentanyl-laced marijuana case and say it's possible this is also the first case in the country. Tonight, they are warning the combination of the two can be deadly. The recreational use of marijuana was legalized in Connecticut less than 5 months ago, and now the State Department of Health is seeing a trend. Cases of overdoses linked to weed laced with the lethal synthetic opioid fentanyl.
What we're finding is there are overdoses, possible overdoses related to marijuana that are associated with fentanyl, and we've had our first laboratory confirmed case of marijuana contaminated with fentanyl.
Since July, the agency has received 39 cases of patients exhibiting opioid overdose symptoms. The state lab has confirmed its first case.
Just recently in October, in a person who overdosed in Plymouth, they non-fatally overdosed. So they were claiming that they only took marijuana and didn't realize they were taking an opioid. And then the police seized the drugs and sent them to the forensics laboratory for analysis. And we were able to show that they were both mixed into the same drug.
Susan Logan, an epidemiologist with Connecticut's Department of Health, says the drug is being bought on the black market. And in each of these cases, the patients have denied any opioid use, claiming they've only smoked pot.
And next thing you know, they need naloxone is being administered to them and they're being revived from their overdose. So, which means that it is an opioid-related overdose and most likely fentanyl-related.
Logan is warning consumers of the risks of buying drugs from the illegal market. She says those who are using should keep Narcan on hand.
You never really know what you're buying or getting off the street. You know, you think it might be marijuana, but it could be marijuana mixed with a bunch of other things.
And just this week, the CDC announced the U.S. has crossed a grim milestone of 100,000 overdose deaths in the last 12 months. That's almost a 30% increase from last year. Steve?
Some dire numbers. All right, thanks, Jess.